Step 1. Wiring the breaker. Insert a straight screwdriver into the rectangular hole of the circuit breaker. Insert the stripped wire into the corresponding round hole. Pay attention to the negative and positive. Install the circuit breaker. Push the circuit breaker into the corresponding position. Connect one end of the wire pressed with SC-type terminals to the battery. Connect the line of the battery as shown in the figure. Step 2. Connect a RS485 signal line. RJ45, plugged into the battery RS485 port. The other end is plugged into the RS485 interface on the back of the switching power supply. Please note the line sequence. A on the left side should be connected to the orange wire. The right side B should be connected to the white wire with the orange color. Step 3. Set the battery address code. Turn dial 1 at ADDR to the top. Turn on the battery. Use a long thin screwdriver in the silk-screened reset. Poke into the small hole press, and hold for 3-5 seconds. Observe all the lights glint once in turn. It has been started. Step 4. Check the device status. Apply power to the switch power supply. 3 to 8 seconds the screen lights up. Refer to the operating instructions to view the device parameters. Step 5. IP address setting. You can check the specific operation steps in the operation instructions. Step 6. Download and install SNMP Protocol Test Tool. The address is already typed on the screen. You can also turn to the operating instructions. Read data operation using SNMP protocol. Refer to the operating instructions to operate the software. Here is the video recording of SNMP protocol test. Fatal. Thanks for watching.